Hi everybody, it's Robin. I'm here with Evil Client. We're going to do a really cute idea. I'm going to paint a quick skull on here, and you can do it any way that you want to. I've started on a multi-chrome polish. I don't know who it's made by, and I'm going in with some acrylic paint in all of the regular colors. You can find everything to get started in my beginner nail playlist. I'm using the wand at robinmosesnailart.com. And I am just going to put the skull in like this. And I am not going to describe it all right now because there's going to be skull tutorials and everything in the Halloween playlist. But I'm going to put it in like this over multichrome. And then if you just watch as I go through, dot, 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 dot. These are all grays. I'm using grays, and they don't have to be perfect grays. This is a medium gray. Like that. Okay. Now on another thing, I have like a bright pink and orange and a bright blue. These are all neons. And I'm going to go through to the center and then just kind of put in some flashes of color like this. Oops. Put flashes of color in like this. And then when they dry, it'll be like this, okay? So here's the flashes of color dried. Now I'm going to go in and then make this into a butterfly coming out of the skull like this. There was a picture of this in the magazine that Evil Client gave me, and we love it. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, so you can use like lighter colors on the end. Okay, so on this one, here's where it's going to get a little bit fun. With a light, oh, let me finish the butterfly real quick. So the butterfly is going to be pink and orange. It's going to show. And then over the top, I'm going to put like a rib cage. So it looks like it's trapped into and the butterfly is the heart. And I'm just going to encapsulate butterflies and flowers into skeletons all across the nails. Now you can get butterflies in my butterfly nail playlist. You can get skulls in my Halloween playlist. You can get everything you need in other designs, but I'm just showing how this one goes together for this type of design. And I really, really like it. So I'm going to have to wait until it's a little bit more dry, but when I come back, I'll show you. Okay, so I'm going to go over with white now, and I forgot to tape me going over the first skeleton face, so I'm going to do it on this one. But as you see, I'm going over with white to make it look like the hand is touching the rose. Then, because the skulls are all gray, I can go in with white and highlight through just randomly. And I know this might look hard to some of you, and that's why I have other skull tutorials that are all kinds of, there's beginners, there's medium, there's hard. These are kind of medium because you can make a lot of mistakes with these. These are very forgiving. But you also have to know how to draw a skull pretty much. So go learn how to draw a skull and meet me back. Anyways, so there's this. Put the little teeth in. Now, every place that it's gray, and then I'm going to make it black around the edges, and that gives a 3D look. See how it pops those eyeballs out? And I'm going to do the little prongs for the little butterfly that's in there. Kind of just dot the nose a little blacker. Go across the teeth. Okay. Make teeth on the bottom. And okay, so that's how I'm kind of doing this. Now, on this, let me do this one. I've been waiting to do this one. So, I'm going to go in with a gray first. A gray-white. A light gray. There we go. Light gray. Now, I'm going to go and I'm just going to make it look like a rib cage and then like the butterfly is caught, and it is the heart of this design. And then I'll go down the bottom with the bones and the spine and come up to the center of the nail with the spine. Now you guys, the girls watching, there are, you know, artists that are watching that are going to do this. You guys are going to have a much cleaner version because I'm doing this on film, but you get the idea, and that's all I need to do. Now I'm going to top that with white. And again, I gotta stay in frame, and this is a strange position, but it's okay. If you guys get it, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it, because I know that's what I said. Right, you go client? Boom, boom. It almost looks like a jewel, and that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna go like this, and you guys see what I am kind of creating, and I'll give you an end result. I might go over with a matte, I'm not certain, but I don't know yet. Okay, so there's that, and I'll meet you back. Okay, here are the end results. So this could be done for the Day of the Dead nails. So that would be it's in the beginning of November. So you could use these for Halloween or Day of the Dead, or search Day of the Dead Robin Moses on YouTube. Skulls. There's so many different things that these can do that are so fun. This would have been awesome with a matte top coat as well. And this would also be more awesome if the middle nails were more outlined in black. So if I would have done this nail black, it would have probably popped a lot more. So anybody trying this, try and use black polish for that one, and or all of the hands and feet. But for the skulls, I like the color I picked. So like you could just paint them all different colors. See, I didn't know what I was doing going in. I just kind of made it up and painted. So anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or I try to. I have tons of playlists. All of these designs can be done for pennies. Anybody who is getting started in nail art as a career, this is a perfect thing to add to your bag of tricks in order to have a career that pays you well. If you don't have a lot of this, then I don't see this being long-term unless you can do nails really super fast. So if you guys, so anybody who loves art, please, or if you're thinking about going to nail school, try and pick this up and get a little bit of this under your belt. And I hope you learned a lot. I'll see you back with more, and bye.
Bye.